Madam, songa pembeni. Kwa hiyo stable.
Not prosecution. It is political persecution, not prosecution.
Now you can extend, eh? You first extend. This side they're not allowed there. You remain here. You can remain this side.
You give us space. Let's
Slowly.
Kati, you move yourselves, eh? You go back. You move back.
strong than ever before. We are not intimidated by the corruption of the system because we want to overthrow the system. We will overthrow the system. People power. Power. People power.
Kooti is handling the emergency services. She's present. Our worship Roslyn Nsenge, so she's handling her evacuation from here. We apologize for that. Because we are also responsible for these prisoners, accused persons. We apologize for that. But she'll be here in a few minutes and she'll be evacuated and given medical attention. As she has said, she has been on medication. She's still accessing medication, and she'll be able to be attended to by professionals. Did someone come for, is there someone of family? Madada? The who? The mother? Okay. I think she should move from there as well. No, I'll give access to one person. I believe the mother is suitable for that. I'll give you access so that you move with her in the ambulance. Let me have a court order or a prison's guard. Take the mother to the chief magistrate. If you can have from the council here. The mother is the one I'm going to give access. That? Speak up. That daughter. Introduce your colleague or we have senior.
My name is Samuel. Hearing to the accused persons, the team comprising Learned Counsel Uganda Alex, Learned Counsel the Honorable Joel Senumi, the Secretary, Counsel Tamtenda German Syria, Learned Counsel Nore Paddington, Learned Counsel Kato Monsime, the Learned Counsel Kapuru Monsime, Learned for the accused persons.
gives you leeway that someone who has broken the mandatory should be granted mandatory bail. Then for what reason would a human being continue having somebody in those circumstances under detention? We do pray that God finds it persuasive, notwithstanding the constitutional command.
Your Honor, the Honorable comes in. Yes, it was a mishap. S7. Because the sureties were found substantial, they have not produced a fresh one. But we want to be on record. For S7, Your Honor, you found, yes, we have not presented. You found in your ruling keys are innocent and Kabonge Idi.
Your Honor, various precedents have emphasized that it's a right to apply for bail, but not a guarantee to be released on bail. The judiciary has to balance the rights of accused persons and the constitutional rights of the public. That is public interest, the safety of the community, and the victims at large. Your Honor, in Mugarura Ronald, a case which we are ready to share with the defense, Counsel Bliss can share a copy. Mugarura Ronald versus Uganda, miscellaneous application number 28 of 2025. Which is juxtaposed by the case law provided by the defense, Uganda versus Komakech. Your Honor, in miscellaneous application number 28 of 2025, this case was decided in May of this year. The High Court of Uganda denied mandatory bail to an applicant who had been on remand for 499 days. And what was the reason?
Which case?
It's Mugarura Roland. We have shared a copy as well. Mugarura Roland versus Uganda miscellaneous application 2025. You can ask her when they arrive. Look at us from the chief.
May it please you, Your Honor. Joel Senyonyi Besikezi. Your Honor, as we close our argument regarding our application, my colleagues, my learned friends have made a case regarding mandatory bail. We have presented substantial sureties, most of whom were previously found by court to be substantial.
He's referring to my ruling. I think so.
Thank you, Your Honor, for reminding me. Your Honor, I made it clear that most of these sureties were found substantial by this honorable court. The state has been following. I'd also like to draw the attention of court to The right to life, which is encapsulated in our Constitution, Article 22 thereof. Your Honor, not long before court started, we discovered A9 was in a very precarious state. And we appreciate the court having taken note of the circumstances of her situation, ordered that A9 be evacuated for medical attention because she was unconscious, catheters all over, and so on. So instead of being here at court, she needed to be in hospital. Unlike A9 and the others, they need specialized treatment, which they are not able to access behind bars. We do acknowledge that prisons does offer some medical attention. But these accused persons that you have seen them separately, you yourself saw A9 when you went to cell. They need specialized treatment so that their lives are not put in jeopardy. So we'd like to appeal to this honorable court to take cognizance of, yes, the mandatory bail that's provided for in law, the substantial sureties that we have presented, who were already found by this court to be substantial. We'd like to tether that to the right to life, so that their health is taken good care of, and that cannot happen behind bars. Our prayer is that court will find our application to cold water and grant these accused persons bail on lenient conditions. We so pray, Your Honor.
Shifted from whether to grant or not to what conditions should I give you. Then we give an excuse every other time. The Constitution says, yes, you are allowed to give excuses, but when the constitutional mandatory period blocks, the right to apply for bail changes to a right to bail. And that's the technical difference and fundamental.
Easy, and you climb up.
Lydia, I think that is enough. Yes.
muleko mulwadde. Hey, that is enough.
You can now allow us to do what? Yeah, you can go the other side. Mugende Kati.
Someone carry down the legs.
At your lips.
Okulaba nti nno Tuesday asooka n'owokubiri Edi Mutwe n'akireewo Kivumbi ennaku zaabwe zaali ziweze 6 ze balina okubeera nti bateebwako lwabanga omusango tegunatandika kuwulirwa ng'amateeka bwe galagira. Kooti n'ebeera ya nsonyo kikola eyatuulako olwo n'etugamba nti ono omulamuzi ali mu musango y'alina obuyinza obubata, naye nga kooti mu ruling eyo teyawakana nti balina okuteebwa. Tuzze olwaleero okutuukiriza ekyo ekyayogerwa kooti nti bwe tunaatuuka mu maaso g'omulamuzi ali mu musango guno ajja kuta abantu baffe ku mandatory bail oba kooti obuyinza kuteekawo obukwakulizo ng'amateeka bwe galagira. Olwaleero okusaba kwaffe tukutadde mu maaso ga kooti eyo gye beekwasa nti erina obuyinza n'obuvunaanyizibwa obwo. Era tusuubira tewali kuwannaanya mu mateeka bwe gaba gagobereddwa. Tukomawo ku nnaku z'omwezi nga 5 kugenda n'abantu baffe bawoze nga bava bweru. Omu yekka 11 be twasobodde kusabira kweyimirirwa olw'ennaku ziba ziweddeyo ye Olivia Lutaaya. Tugenze mu maaso naye okumusabira okweyimirirwa. Okwo kooti ekulinako obuyinza okusalawo oba nedda. Era tugisaba naye ku Olivia Lutaaya ate banne baleme mulekayo mu kkomera kubanga ye abudde ne kooti nti mulwadde. Era ekirungi obutafaanana luli kooti eragidde Olivia Lutaaya obulwadde bwobwo bulina okufuna omusawo. Ekiragiro kooti kyagaana otuwa luli. So tusuubira tunakomerawo nga 5 Olivia Lutaaya alina okuba nga aweereddwa obujjanjabi prison beganye omuwa. Lwaki? Tetwetaaga Olivia tukomewo naye wano ng'asesema musaayi nga Sauda Madada bwemulabye. Nti olwaleero tuzze mu kooti ne tubadde twogera buli kaseera ng'oludda olwabi luwakana nti balina obulumi mu kifuba obutalabibwa na kungulu. Ekyo kiragiddwa lwatu ng'omu ku bavunaanibwa ambulensi emututte. Ate si gwe gusoose ne mu kutandika okujja mujjukira ambulensi ezaali zitambuza abavunaanibwa. Ekitongole ekiramuzi kitandise okusesema ebijanjaalo nga kitugamba kiridde ennyama. Tukigambye lunye nti bano abantu babatulugunya. Kati kigenza okujjukira omu okumufunira ambulensi tetumanyi nti oba obuvune bwafunye bunaaba kusobola okuwona. So tukukubiriza ekitongole ekiramuzi bwe tubanga tukola okusaba kuno kitunulye mateeka. Emirundi egisinga kisalira wabweru w'amateeka. Era tusaba mulundi guno akabonero akalabibwako ke tulabye kw'omu ku bavunaanibwa kagiyambe okusalawo ku mazima n'obwenkanya ng'abantu baffe babata akalu ka kooti abeetaagisa akakalu ako n'abakateetaagisa kabata oba kooti ebata ng'amateeka bwe gagiragira.
So today we have basically today, the whole legal team that is representing the person. Why? The law provides for bail in two situations. It is what the
Mic check 1 2 1.
However, the Constitution and the other attendant laws are to the effect. A person clocks 60 days in custody, then that person is entitled to mandatory bail. And in instance, the court is only left with
embeera yasajjuka dda n'afa era okufa kwa Ssegirinya tukuteeka ku gavumenti eno n'ekitongole ekiramuzi katugamba kooti muyige olw'ebyo byaliwo abantu bano bayidi mutwe bakirewo n'abalala baatulugunyizibwa ng'abakwata mulabe madaada asesema musaayi ali mu mbeera mbi katugamba kooti banna embeera emu n'obuntu abantu mubalaba bali mu mbeera mbi ate n'ekirala ssemateeka n'amateeka gaffe amalala gonna gonna gagamba wano mu magistrates court ennaku enkaaga kasita ziwera nga temunnatandika kuwozesa abantu bano balina kuteebwa kuteeka awo kooti eba tekyayinako nti gamba nti kayerowoozeemu kasubire kooti ejja kukola ekituufu ku ekyo kye tulabye kubanga tetwagala ate abantu abalala baffe tukyabataddeko omusango wa Honorable Ssegirinya n'abalala abazze bafa mu ngeri bweti etategeerekeka so kooti tubadde tugijjukiza nti abaayi gano amateeka agakolebwa mu paalamenti kooti mulina gagoberera kasubire kooti ejja kukola ekyo ffe tekibadde tukola just kubajjukiza nti ssemateeka yaffe n'amateeka amalala kino kyegalambika obulungi